What's up, guys? As promised, I'm back with some more incredible content today. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything. But yeah, I'm just having my favorite part of the week right now. I'll show you what's going on. Aaron Kraskell is DJing live on Facebook Live. So that so far has been pretty much like my highlight of the week when I've been in lockdown like this. And turn it down a little bit. It's making it a little bit hard for me to think while these crazy killer tunes are coming out. So he does this every week, and I just tune in all the time. It's cool to get things when it's live, because it feels like I'm actually part of something that's happening. You know, that's different from just watching back a YouTube video, so I should probably get on some YouTube live videos. I'm still waiting for 300 subs so I can do that live Roblox video, but there's got to be other things that I could do on YouTube live. Mostly I just do it on my phone, so it doesn't really work to... It won't let me do that for some reason. It says phones can't be used for YouTube videos until you're like a verified person. What do you think about this? My family's been giving me a real hard time about this patchy beard, saying it's too long. I think it's too long myself, but what are you gonna do? So for today, I'm gonna go back to a classic oldie. One of my favorite videos to make was the unboxing video. So I'm going to show you this surprise unboxing, and I'm going to try to do this in an exciting way for you. So this is a Kinder Surprise box. This is a 3-pack. What do you think that means? I don't know. But look at all the cool toys that it could be. It could be like whatever that is. It could be whatever that is. Parrot. Maybe a real flying airplane. There's tons of stuff. This is like the best way to get Kinder Surprise toys, is like get them in a multi-pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and see, it's got a little push button there. You just push that in. I'm gonna go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Look at that. 3 eggs. Maybe your shops are out of eggs. Kinder Surprise eggs are always in stock. Which one should I take? Egg number 1. Egg number 2. Egg number 3. Let's go for egg number 3. I'm getting crazy. I'm going to save the other 2 eggs for another video, because, you know, better to post more regularly than just do all 3 at the same time. So, like usual, we've got this beautiful foil wrap. This is not for under 3s. Don't even try to give it to your baby siblings. They're going to die, I guess. Well, we're all going to die, but you don't want them to die before their time, do you? So, I'm unfoiling that. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, that's a satisfying sound. Listen to that. That could help you get to sleep, isn't it? Oh, look at that egg. Beautiful. I'm not going to crack this on my forehead, because that would not be cool. Oh, it's crumbly. Oh, look at that. What? Same as last time. You got milk chocolate, you got white chocolate. That is nice. Sweep this up. Got a tasty treat there. Now, before you eat anything off your desk, make sure to sterilize. Not for coronavirus, just for general hygiene, man. Don't eat things off the desk if you've been touching that. The tubes are new. They've got this little flip top back. Okay. So that's going to help you to open this in a good way. And you don't lose the top. Oh, look at that. What's that? It's a foot. I don't know. Maybe a tail or something. I'm guessing this is some kind of that, like that bird one that I saw. Yeah, look at that. This is going to be some kind of bird. Right. There's all the bits. Back to the instructions. This is what we want. A bird that flies on its own. So when you touch it, it just flies all around. Okay, so step 1, put the thing on the feet. Where's that? Which is that? I'll let you guys look at that. That seems to be that. I'm gonna look at it upside down. That looks like that goes, maybe. This is crazy. That can't be right. Maybe this one? Feed through the head. I don't even know. Why do I struggle so bad with these?
Let me see. That's definitely going on to there. Maybe it goes behind. I'm so rubbish at this.
How is this a children's toy? Like, I know I said that last time, but I still don't understand it. Like, how is a child, a 3-year-old, supposed to figure this out? I'm a grown man and I can't even get this. I need some more chocolate. It's pretty good.
Wait. That's fine. Okay. So that is like this, upside down. That's fine. Yeah.
See, people were commenting saying like, oh, it's 2018, why are you still looking at the instructions? But it helps to look at the instructions. I am rubbish at this stuff.
Okay, the tail thing goes on next. Yeah, that seems like something. Okay. Step 3. Wings. Looks like they go down and in. Okay, I got that. Easy.
Easy.
Step 4. Well, there's only
One piece left. This has got to go on. No problem. Need more chocolate. Okay, cool. No! You probably think I'm doing this on purpose. I'm not dropping it on purpose. Son of a... Yes! Ah! Oh, dude. Oh, dude. It flies on its own. Woo! That's amazing. Now, I'm gonna have to spend the next like 20 minutes to 3 hours editing this video because I'm pretty sure 9 minutes of me putting together this simple toy is not that interesting. But we'll see. Maybe I'll speed up some sections or something. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to keep coming back here every day. Don't forget to tune into live things. Like Aaron Kraskell's live drum and bass thing. Don't forget to eat chocolate. Don't forget to be nice to your family/housemates. Peace. Look at this.